I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry is very familiar with us in daily life. Watch the video and see how to use this in some situations. Sorry for hurting you. Anna, are you there? Yes? Anna, Do you have something to say? Do you want to scold me like this morning? No, Anna, don't think that. I don't mean that. So, what are you doing? What do you want to say to me? I have to do my homework now. Sorry about what happened this morning. It's because I lost my temper. It doesn't mean I hate you. You couldn't always stay calm. You never listen to what I said and immediately think you're right. Others are wrong. No, Anna, I'm so sorry about that. But actually, I just couldn't calm down because, this book is a special gift to me. Yes, I know. Of course. But the thing is, you didn't listen to my explanation and immediately blamed me for tearing your book. Why do I have to do that? What you said in the morning really hurt me. Anna, I know this is my fault. I'm really sorry about this. We've been playing together for a long time. You know I'm hot-tempered, but I don't mean anything. But will you always be like that? No, I promise I will change. I will calm down in every situation. And sorry for hurting you, to be honest. Hope so. Such hurtful words you shouldn't use at all. It hurts other people, and you too. I will never do it again. Forgive me, please. The last time, okay? Sure. Thank you. I'll invite you to dinner now. Let's go. It is my fault. What's wrong, Alex? Yes, I want to talk about the meeting this morning. Ah, yes. What happened? The meeting this morning had some problems. It was supposed to prepare documents for the partner, but there was nothing. Yes, I remembered I told the leader to prepare for me. Partner this morning is very dissatisfied about this. I was pretty angry this morning. Yes, actually, I was the one responsible for preparing that document. Is it you? Why don't you do it? Do you know if this meeting decides whether or not they will sign the contract with us? Yes, I know. It is my fault. I'm so sorry about this. I always remind employees to work carefully, prepare everything carefully. I know, I made a big mistake. I will pay more attention next time. This will never happen again. I'm sure about that. This morning, I had to apologize to our partner for your carelessness. We should have prepared everything perfectly, but there was no documentation for the partner. Very disappointing. I'm so sorry. But that's okay. It happened already. The best way to fix it is to never repeat it. You also admit mistakes. I hope you will never repeat such an unnecessary mistake again. Of course. Please believe me. But if you make a mistake, you will still be punished. Penalties will be decided at our meeting this afternoon. Yes. Go on to your work.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment on my video. Please, subscribe to Learn English with Jessica channel to watch more helpful videos. Goodbye.